Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Yubo app account. The process is really easy. I'll show you how. Stay with me. Let's get started. Before that, be sure you've installed the Yubo app on your phone and you have already created an account. Now let's get to the point. So first of all, open the Yubo app on your phone. You'll see this page on your screen. Now to sign into your account, you'll have to tap on the login option. Then on this page, all you have to do is enter your credentials. Enter your username and then your password. After you're done, tap on continue. Let it load. And here you can allow the app to access your location if you want to, but that's totally optional. So we'll skip for now. Tap on the skip option at the top right corner. Here you can see that we've been logged into our account successfully. This is it for the tutorial. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for further tutorials. Thank you.